Did you know that the average person snacks at least twice a day? But here's the kicker, most of those snacks are loaded with hidden calories that derail your health goals. Tired of boring celery sticks or feeling guilty after a snack attack? Welcome to Active Life Insights, where we're diving into 5 snacks you'll love without the calorie overload. Stick around, because your next favorite snack is on this list. Let's jump right in with our first snack. Snack 1, a fruity classic. Apple slices with a twist. Grab a small apple, about 80 calories, and pair it with a teaspoon of almond butter, just 20 calories. That's 100 calories of crispy, sweet, and nutty goodness. The fiber in the apple keeps you full, while the healthy fats in the almond butter give you that satisfying boost. Pro tip, sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon for 0-calorie flavor. Trust me, this beats any sugary candy bar. Moving on to our second snack. Snack 2, Veggie Crunch time. Veggie sticks with hummus. Take 10 baby carrots or cucumber slices, around 40 calories, dip them into a tablespoon of hummus, about 25 to 30 calories. You're looking at 65 to 70 calories total. Crunchy, creamy, and packed with vitamins, this combo is a snack time MVP. Mix it up with bell peppers or celery if you're feeling adventurous. Who said healthy can't be fun? Here's our third snack, get ready for a fan favorite. Snack 3, the movie night hero. Air-popped popcorn. 3 cups of plain air-popped popcorn clock in at just 90 calories. It's light, it's crunchy, and it feels like a treat, perfect for movie night without the guilt. Skip the butter and toss in some paprika or garlic powder for a flavor kick. You'll be amazed how much you can munch for under 100 calories. Snack number 4 is up next, smooth and sweet ahead. Snack 4, creamy berry bliss. Greek yogurt with berries. Take half a cup of plain, non-fat Greek yogurt, about 60 calories, and toss in a small handful of raspberries or blueberries, around 20 calories. Total, 80 calories of protein-packed, antioxidant-rich deliciousness. Sweet, tangy, and oh so satisfying, this one's a no-brainer for a quick pick-me-up. And our final snack, chocolate fans, this one's for you. Snack 5, indulgent yet smart. Dark chocolate squares. 2 small squares of 70% dark chocolate, about 60 to 70 calories, paired with a few almonds, around 30 calories, lands you right at 100. It's rich, indulgent, and loaded with heart-healthy antioxidants. Portion control is key, but this proves you don't have to ditch dessert to stay healthy. So, there you have it, 5 healthy snacks under 100 calories that you'll actually enjoy. From apple slices to dark chocolate, these picks prove you can snack smart and still love every bite. At Active Life Insights, we're all about making health simple and tasty. Which of these snacks are you trying first? Drop it in the comments below, I can't wait to hear. If you loved this, hit the like button, it really helps us out, and subscribe for more tips to live your healthiest, happiest life. Click that bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.